is Jury-Rig. And the Omnitrix in Ben 10 is Light.
Ultimate
This
Trix.
is Ultimate Trix.
And then the other one
Is Shock Squash in the figure.
and then the other one.
This is Ultimate Humongousaur and Ultimate Big Shield and the Omnitrix and the Light. This is Etel. This is the Omnitrix and the figure. This is 4 arms. This is 4 arms and the front is the Omnitrix. Ang taas. Uy, ito nga, papakalala ko na siya, no?